Colleagues at motoredonline.de, in collaboration with British artist Carl Lee, provided pictures of the Boxer model that will follow the new BMW R 1300 GS, arriving in early autumn. A model that means a small revolution in the catalog of the Bavarian brand with a factory in Berlin. The BMW R 1300 GS will be followed by its R, Naked, RS, Sport-Turismo, and RT, Gran Turismo, brothers. Colleagues at motoredonline.de pointed out that, in the absence of spy photos, they had asked artist Carl Lee to do styling exercises to see what a future BMW would look like. Recall that the designer already got it when he envisioned the future M1000 XR. With regard to the future RS 1300, German journalists say that the sport-turismo will change a lot in parts, such as the light group, handlebars, or seats. There may be a single-seater version, which means the model probably won't go on sale until 2025. The engine and aluminum chassis will be the same as the new GS, although unlike the Trail, it won't have a telelever, but an inverted fork. It seems that the radar and cruise control systems that adjust to traffic conditions, automatically keeping the distance from the previous vehicle, are not lost. As for the R 1300 R, Naked can also install a radar system. The fork will be flipped and the Boxer will generate around 145 CV. It will not disappoint when viewed from the LED technology, with powerful headlamps that give character to the front area. The muffler needs to be lighter and collected, which makes it easier to install the casing that will be offered as an accessory. The colleagues at motoredonline.de do not promise anything, but they dare to predict that throughout 2024 BMW will present new models with Boxer engines: R 1300 RT, R 1300 RS and R 1300 R. We have to buy a size XL piggy bank.